Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to highlight something truly unique about the UFC's former light heavyweight champion, Jon Jones. Like, how the hell did he get up to 250 pounds so fast when just over a month ago he weighed in at 240 pounds? He gained 10 pounds of clean mass in 30 days, guys. It's just nuts, but before I ramble on more about this latest post from Jon, let's just talk a little bit about his current situation. Jones announced this past summer he was vacating the UFC light heavyweight championship and moving up to heavyweight division in an attempt to win the second title and cement his legacy as the greatest MMA fighter of all time, which is highly possible given how talented the guy is. A lot of fans calling Khabib as the greatest MMA fighter of all time didn't sit too well with the champ for obvious reasons, which is also a contributing factor for him to move into the heavyweight division. Now, coming to the part which is most interesting, guys. Jon used to fight at 205 pounds and walked around at 220 or 230 pounds at his heaviest, which is quite normal for all fighters who cut weight. Jon started training to gain more muscle mass just around 6 months ago. He weighed in at around 240 pounds with a six pack about 5 to 6 weeks ago. So up until this point in his training, he was gaining around 1.5 to 2 pounds of mass a month, which is a good number for anyone and nothing out of the ordinary. It's typical for a healthy male to gain 1 to 2 pounds of muscle, and for females it's around 0.5 to 1 pounds of muscle in a month with good nutrition and proper exercise. Don't forget good genetics also. The part which gets me is how did Jon all of a sudden, unlike before, gain 10 pounds in 5 to 6 weeks? I did some research on this, guys, and according to a small study conducted in April of 2016, published in the International Journal of Exercise Science, found that participants following an 8-week training plan for building lean mass and strength only gained, on average, 2.18 to 2.33 pounds of muscle. So theoretically speaking, gaining 10 pounds in 5 to 6 weeks is almost next to impossible. Well, unless you are a really gifted genetic freak. But then again, we only have a back shot of Jon on his social media, so I'm still a bit skeptical about how much of that 10 pounds is healthy weight, guys. Now I know Jon has the frame to carry that much mass around, but how will it impact his fighting in the heavyweight division? We already know Jon is light on his feet and has amazing levels of stamina, but it'll be really interesting to see if he can carry these same attributes forward into the heavyweight division, seeing as they are his best attributes. All that extra mass might slow Jon down and may impact his cardio as well, but these are just my perceptions at this point. Jon has never been a one-punch knockout artist, guys, but who knows, I might be wrong. Maybe Jon has increased his punching power with the added mass, similar to Daniel Cormier, who also stated to having more power in his shots after moving into the heavyweight division. DC reportedly was knocking out his sparring partners in training, so it'll be really intriguing to see how Jon's transformation turns out. Jones last fought in February of 2020 against Dominic Reyes and won via a controversial unanimous decision to retain the UFC light heavyweight title. Many fans, including myself, thought Reyes won that fight, but we all know how that turned out. Everyone hoped that Jones and Reyes would rematch again, given how competitive the first fight was, but Jones decided he had cleaned out the light heavyweight division and moved up to heavyweight. Jon Jones is currently waiting for the UFC heavyweight champion Stipe Miocic and number 1 contender Francis Ngannou to hold their rematch this spring or summer, and according to UFC president Dana White, Jones will get the winner. I don't think Bones is an apt nickname for Jon Jones anymore, guys, seeing at the rate of which he's growing. Let's see how everything plays out this year. I for one am really excited for Jon Jones' chances. Comment down below if you guys are interested in seeing Jon fight again, and leave a like if you've enjoyed this video. A sub wouldn't hurt as well, guys, so hit that subscribe button including the bell icon before you go. Bye bye guys, as always, take care.